Join me as I take on the challenge of getting the best property deals using these proven negotiation techniques. When it comes to buying a property, negotiation is a critical skill that can make all the difference between getting a great deal and overpaying. Unfortunately, many buyers fail to negotiate effectively, leaving thousands of dollars on the table. But why is negotiation so important in real estate? It's because the listed price of a property is rarely the final price. Sellers often inflate the price, expecting buyers to negotiate, and it's up to the buyer to negotiate the best possible deal. When trying to negotiate property prices, buyers often face several challenges. One common obstacle is the fear of offending the seller. Many buyers are worried that if they negotiate too aggressively, they'll upset the seller and lose the deal. This fear can be paralyzing, causing buyers to make lowball offers that are rejected outright. Another challenge is the lack of knowledge about the property's true value. Without accurate data, buyers may not know how much they can realistically negotiate the price down. Additionally, buyers may struggle with creating a persuasive offer that resonates with the seller. This can be especially difficult when dealing with emotional sellers who are attached to the property. Lastly, buyers often underestimate the power of negotiation, thinking that a few $1,000s off the listed price is a good deal, when in reality they could be getting a much better price with the right strategies. So how can buyers overcome these challenges and negotiate the best possible deal? The key is to build rapport with the seller and understand their motivations. By establishing a connection with the seller, buyers can create a sense of trust, making the seller more receptive to their offer. Additionally, understanding the seller's motivations can help buyers tailor their offer to meet the seller's needs. For example, if the seller is motivated by a quick sale, buyers can offer a faster closing date in exchange for a lower price. Another technique is to use psychological pricing strategies, such as making an offer that is just below a round number, making it more appealing to the seller. One powerful negotiation technique that has led to significant savings for past buyers is the takeaway strategy. This involves making an offer that is contingent on the seller fixing certain issues with the property, such as repairs or upgrades. If the seller agrees, the buyer can then take away the contingency, reducing the price of the property accordingly. This strategy not only saves buyers money, but also gives them leverage in the negotiation. For instance, if the inspection reveals some damage to the foundation, the buyer can ask the seller to fix it or reduce the price by a certain amount. If the seller agrees, the buyer can then take away the contingency, getting a better deal. Another example of the takeaway strategy is when buyers make an offer that is contingent on the sale of their current property. If the seller agrees, the buyer can then take away the contingency, increasing the chances of the deal going through. This tactic not only gives buyers an upper hand in the negotiation, but also provides a sense of security, knowing that they have a backup plan if the deal falls through. This takeaway strategy is a game changer in property negotiations, and it's a tactic that can be used in a variety of situations, whether it's negotiating the price, repairs, or contingencies. This strategy gives buyers the upper hand and can lead to significant savings. In recap, negotiating the best possible deal on a property requires building rapport with the seller, understanding their motivations, and using psychological pricing strategies. By mastering these techniques, buyers can overcome common challenges and get the best deals possible. Remember, negotiation is a critical skill that can save you thousands of dollars on your next property purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own negotiation experiences. If you're looking for more real estate tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos. If you want to discuss any aspect of property deals and negotiations, then do not hesitate to call me. That's Alan on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.